Hi there guys, in today's video we'll be looking at how to install temporary fonts using VinylCut. Okay, just a reminder, this video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. You can find other software that we do training videos for as well, and we do upload videos daily, so just keep an eye there. Otherwise, let's head back into the program. Okay, now there's many reasons that it will be beneficial to install temporary fonts, because some people have like thousands of fonts, and then when you start your project you really don't need all those fonts, and it really just takes way too long to start up and too many resources. Then also if you're just doing mock-up designs where you're kind of prototyping and that, then it's also a good idea to have temporary fonts, because it will only load it for that project. But just keep in mind, once you close the program, you start it back up, the font will no longer be there. So it's really you use it while you're in the program, and then it resets it once you exit. So now to do that, what we want to do is we can head to our library panel. If you cannot see it, just remember you can go on top here on your top toolbar, you click on library, then it'll open it for you. Now if we go to the second tab here, the fonts tab, then let's say we navigate to the far right, you will see a little icon here that if we click that, it will give us the option to load font. So let's say we click load font, then you navigate to where you had your font installed, or rather where you have it downloaded or extracted. Then on the right here you will notice it shows us which formats it supports. And then so let's just select our font, click open, and then I'll say the font and the font name has been loaded, so we say OK. Now to locate your font is rather simple. It's like the same way you normally do it. So you can go to our site properties panel, then we go to the text area, one with the big A, you navigate to font, and then you click the little arrow, and then you just locate your font. So a avocado taco. Now we can see we've got the new font there. Another way you can locate the font is you go on your top menu, then you go text, font, and likewise you navigate till you find your font. Otherwise, yeah, thanks guys for watching this video. For more videos like this, remember you can go to softwaretraining.co.za. You can also, on the website, you can isolate software types, or you can search on top here on the right for specific videos. And if you don't find what you're looking for, then just request the video here, and then we'll make the training video for you. Otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.